Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back. So what happened today was in the morning I couldn't actually trade the forex or futures because I had conflicting schedules. So yeah, I couldn't do it this morning either. But in any case, I got to actually get in a trade for you guys. Trading the pound Aussie in the Asian session, and so today actually was the Aussie monetary policy meetings, and so from before, I think if you guys had read the news before, there was they had a dovish stand on the Australian dollar, and so the expectancy going into the rate announcement at 9:30, which was it was pretty dovish, and because of that, I was anticipating a bullish momentum, and actually that's exactly what happened, and it lined up actually with the market profile levels very nicely. So it gave me a good trade setup, and then I took it long, and then when I did take it long, I got about, I believe, 30 pips of profit. So dollar value is $2.16, but so if we take this trade, is I entered at 1.83867, so 1.8386, somewhere on there, and then I closed it here 1.8410, so 1.8410 right there. So about, okay, actually about 23 pips. So it was pretty conservative tonight. I'm expecting actually for the pound Aussie to go up and try to see if it can test this volume point of control. This is from the morning, but you never know, so we'll see how it goes. Right now it looks like it wants to go up. I just didn't it's around 10 o'clock in the evening. I didn't have any more patience to stay in the trade, so I just I took my 20 I usually take about 20-30 pips profit, so 23 pips profit is good for me. I took it and I closed the trade and just called it a night. But yeah, in the morning I didn't have any trades either on the Asian session or the in the either on futures or forex, because again I couldn't get in front of the computer to trade. So overall, not a bad night. We made some profits. We're just recouping some losses right now from last week. Well, actually last 2 weeks. The markets have been really volatile, so that has contributed to some drawdowns. But we're just steadily gaining the losses back, and the profits are accruing again. So it's all good, and I'm hopeful the next few days we'll get some good trades in, and then we'll see what will happen. In any case, thank you for coming back. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll trade the futures, and I may get in a forex trade again for you guys. And with that said, trade well, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.